I'm Dr. Mark Lee at Cleveland Non-Surgical here in Cleveland, Tennessee. And today I want to show you what a chiropractic adjustment looks like. My patient here has a spine, as we all do, and it should move freely, like this. If there's restriction in there, that's going to put pressure on the nervous system, and those nerves go down your legs, go down your arms, and go into organs too. So they may be restricted and not working as well as they could. So I want to show you what a chiropractic adjustment looks like today. All right, breathe in and in. Good. Okay, breathe in and good. One more time, breathe in and good. All right. Very good. Okay, it's as simple as that. Hope to see you soon.